Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about VLESS Protocol in V2Ray. So, let's start our video. As we talked in previous video, VLESS is one of authentication protocols. One of most important things is you can use almost every transport protocols like TCP, WebSocket, TLS with VLESS protocol. In left-hand side, you can see V2Ray Client software. In right-hand side you can see V2Ray Server side software. Let's create new VLESS configuration in both V2Ray Client side and V2Ray Server side. In remarks, you need to type name for this. In V2Ray Server side, you need to choose protocol as VLESS. In address in V2Ray Client side, you need to type public IP address of VPS that V2Ray Server is running. In listening IP in V2Ray Server side, if you need to listen V2Ray Server in specific IP address in your network interfaces, you need to type it here. If you don't know about this, just leave it blank. It means listening on all network interfaces. Next important thing is port. You need to put same port number in V2Ray Client side and V2Ray Server side. Your port number must not be already using. If you want to use TLS connection, you must put 443 as port number. For WebSocket connections, you can use any port number. Another important thing is after putting port number here, you need to open that port number in Firewall settings in your VPS that V2Ray Server is running. In V2Ray Server side, if you want to limit traffic usage for this connection, you need to put number of GB in total traffic. If you don't need any limit, leave it as 0. If you want to set this connection to expire in some day, you need to put that day and expire date. If you don't want to expire this connection, leave it as blank. Next important thing is ID. This acts as password in authentication. You can see one ID is generated in V2Ray Server side. You need to put this generated value in ID in V2Ray Client side. If you want to give different IDs for different users, you can generate another ID using plus icon in ID in V2Ray Server side. In V2Ray Client side, you can see flow and encryption. V2Ray documentation doesn't provide any information about these two. So, don't change these two. Now you can see we successfully configured VLESS. In future videos, let's talk about transport section.